In this video, we will discuss user customization, configuration, function setup, accounting tab, management by account remarks function. This function is where you can register remarks code for an account code so that if you have most frequently used remarks, then instead of manually typing in each remark, you can register them as remarks code in advance and then import the registered code each time you enter accounting vouchers. For example, for employee benefits account code, you can register the cause of each expenditure as remarks code and then load the remarks code each time you enter payment journals. And for automobile expenses account code, you can register the registration number of your company cars and then load them each time you enter the expenses from the company cars, such as fueling charge and so forth. In payment journal input screen, you can see remarks field. In this field, you need to manually type in each remarks. But instead of manual entry, you can use management by account remarks to load remarks code instead of manual typing. In order to set up this function, you need to click the section and check Use to enable this function and click Apply to apply the remarks code field in each accounting input screen. Then, if you click Save and go to the Payment Journal menu again, you can see Remarks Code field has been added to the input screen. And by double-clicking on the field, you can load the remarks code that has been registered for each account code. For example, if you enter automobile expenses account and double click on the field, then the list of the remarks codes that have been registered in Chart of Accounts menu will be listed. In order to create a new remarks code, you can go to Accounting 1, Setup, Chart of Accounts menu, and search for the corresponding account code. For example, for automobile expenses, you will see Remarks column on the right. Click Save to register a new remark code. And you can see the list of remark codes that I already registered. Click New to create a new remark code. Set the code and name and save. Then, in each accounting input screen, after entering the corresponding account code, if you double-click on Remark Code field, the code will appear in the input screen. And I have registered the registration number of my company's cars into remark codes. And once you have enabled the function and you have added the input field for remark code and you have set up all the necessary remark codes, then you will be able to enter accounting vouchers with each remark code entered in each row. So I have entered the expenses from refueling for each car number. And if you click Save, then in Accounting 1, Reports, Ledger 4 menu, you will be able to search and view data by each remark code. You can first select By Remarks option and enter the corresponding account code and search. Then, the amount for each remark code, in this case for each car number, will be summarized and displayed in the screen. So please use Management by Account Remarks function to enter and summarize accounting amount by account remarks code.